actually covers nearly 97% of the population.
Yes.
And the government is not saying any numbers, but we are reading it in newspapers every day that 8 lakhs is the ceiling. And 5 acres of land. 5 acres of land where? And how can economics be a basis? You've destroyed so many small-scale industries. Entire Tirupur and Tamil Nadu is destroyed because you brought the GST without consideration and your demonetization policies.
DHL ancillary.
So, how can you even fix economics as a criteria, as a base for reservation? It keeps varying. And you know this government's policy. When it comes to agriculture, there's an agrarian crisis. You see how many farmers committed suicide. There was a big rally. The government didn't pay heed to it. Our farmers from Tamil Nadu were here for months together to meet the Prime Minister. He did not find time. Nobody even bothered. Nobody even listened. They're struggling even today.
Yes.
And the kind of humiliation they went through in Delhi. And you want to talk about the land holdings. What do they get? Even if they have 5 acres of land, what do they get? Nothing. The only future the farmers in this country have is death. They're only looking at suicide. The entire Kaveri belt is dry. And you want to extract methane. And how do you fix economic criteria for reservation? Sir, you have to understand that the judgment already has said, unless there is an extraordinary situation, you cannot pass a reservation, you cannot bring a bill to amend and increase reservation. What is the urgency? What is the extraordinary situation? The only thing I see is in 100 days we have elections.
Yes. Yes.
मैडम अगेन आपको जो समय था उससे दोगुना आप बोल चुकी हैं.
Sir, can you speak in a language I can understand, sir?
You have the time which was allocated to you, have taken double of that. So please conclude now. Please.
Yes, sir, but we are not given opportunities.
Please conclude.
I'm talking on behalf of.
No, we support you.
I'm talking on behalf of thousands, millions and millions of people who are being deprived.
माननीय आनंद जी, जो समय आप लोगों ने तय किया 8 घंटे का, उसके तहत मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं पुनः रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज conclude. जो समय तय था उसका दोगुना समय मैंने दिया. आप मेरी सीमा और बंधन भी ध्यान रखें तो मुझे
Sir,
प्लीज आपके
employment opportunities in the central government employment until now, it is very clear that there is injustice toward the backward classes and the SCs and STs. More than so many years have passed. Only 17% there's been reservation in Group A services, 14% in Group B services, 11% in Group C services, 10% in Group D services. You cannot even implement this. Are you going? You first, it's already there. Please implement that. Then take the next step. What is the point in painting new dreams?
Please conclude now. Please conclude. Please conclude.
Sir, and yesterday, the Honorable Finance Minister, when he was speaking in the other house, he said very clearly that once both the houses of the parliament pass this bill, it does not have to be sent to the states. He is one of the best legal brains in the country. I respect him a lot, but
please, Kanimodi ji, please address to the chair.
Politics, I don't want to get into that.
Please address to the chair. Please address your and conclude.
Sir, he has said that, but is it right? This is a
No, law minister.
how can you say that it will not affect states? It affects states. It affects every single state in this country.
Law minister's answer.
And how can, and it violates the spirit of the cooperative federalism
Please conclude.
enshrined in the Constitution. It goes against the grain of
It's
it.
already
And how
13
can you
minutes
say
instead
you will
of
not
5
send
minutes?
it and
Please
our
conclude.
opinion
Please
is not
conclude.
important.
Please conclude
Sir,
now.
with this, I say that this bill has to be sent to the select committee, and you are already bringing in, and I move my motion, and I want voting on that.
मैं